JH ko. Team Philippines. Nice, the sun is up. Walang naramdaman after 6 days. Morning guys, samahan niyo ako sa last day of Yi Impact Basketball dito sa Guam. Alam niyo mga ka-winners, madali lang mag-drive dito sa Guam. Kasabayan niyo lang naman yung flow dito ng traffic dito sa Guam. Madali lang naman. Kaya lang nakakatakot kasi baka matikitan tayo for violation. We follow rules and regulations rin naman sa Pilipinas. Di ba? Kagaya dito sa Guam. Meron din ditong non-contact apprehension. Pero ang maganda lang dito, lahat ng rules na sinet nila, talagang angkop sa kanilang daan. Sa mga tao, sa pag-uugali ng tao. So sa Pilipinas, kayang-kaya din natin. Kailangan lang maging clear ang guidelines. At syempre, yung mga lines, yung where to turn left, where to turn right, yung mga ganun, kinakailangan lang maging maayos. And I'm pretty sure magiging progressive ang Pinas. Uwi na ako mamayang gabi, so I don't want McDonald's anymore. Here's George Washington. Less than 1 minute! Catch and shoot. Nice shot. Go 10! 5! Good job boys, water break. 5 straight free throws. 5 spot shooting drill. Minute layup drill. Let's go faster, faster. Go around. Go. Circle only. Jump ball. Out. Go. Out. Next three. Good. Out. Last two. Continue dribbling. Left and right. Just tap the ball out. Continue. Out. Winner. Good job. Go. Pull back. Exaggerate. Good. Shoulder pick. Go. Move. Go. Let's go. Pull back. In and out. Don't forget to go in and out. Go. Pull back. 1, 2, attack. Faster. 1, 2, pull back. Attack. Sorry, Coach Kino. You're missing the steak. Yeah.
Kino, you're gonna miss out today. Last day for Coach.
Muna tayo, healthy.
Kino, this is it, buddy. Enjoy your trip.
Sir, thank you, Lord. So juicy. Healthy pala. Ubos. Sumut sarap. Thank you, Coach Jimmy.
Last one, that's it. Time to go to work now. Pay your bills.
Yes, sir. Tapos na po ang ating Y Impact Basketball Camp dito sa Guam. Maraming salamat, Coach Jimmy Yi. And of course, JH Athletics Apparels sa aming magandang Philippine Youth Dreamers coaches uniforms. Winner!